Hello friends, let's make sambar today. Light a stove and place a handi or pot on it. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. After the oil is hot enough, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. Add 1 chopped onion, 1 sprig of curry leaves and fry them till onions become translucent. Using a mud pot increases the flavor of sambar. There is an increased flavor from the mud pot as compared to the same recipe cooked in a regular stainless steel utensil. Add 1 tablespoon of coarsely pounded ginger garlic paste. Fry till the raw smell from the ginger garlic goes and the onions are fried well. Add 1 chopped country tomato, not the regular hybrid tomato. In most of the South Indian cuisine, the country tomatoes are preferred as compared to the hybrid tomatoes because of the subtle sourness they provide. Add in 2 chopped drumsticks. This sambar can be made with any other vegetable as well of your choice. Saute the drumstick for some time so that the raw smell from the drumstick also is gone. Add salt to taste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 3 heaped teaspoons of sambar powder and mix well. I am using Mylapore Kitchen's ready-made sambar masala. I like the flavor, so I am using it. I feel it is better than the store-bought other brands sambar masala. Add 2 cups of water and mix well. Close the pot with a lid and let the drumsticks get cooked completely. At this stage, you already start enjoying the aroma from delicious sambar getting ready. Check if the drumsticks are cooked well by pricking them with a knife or a spoon. Then add about 100 grams of cooked tur dal. I have pressure cooked this tur dal in a pressure cooker. Mix it in and if required add some water to ensure the consistency which you require. Extract the juice from 1 gooseberry sized tamarind soaked prior and keep it ready. That needs to be added to this sambar. Discard the pulp after extracting the juice. At this stage, check the consistency, add water if required, and check the salt as well. Boil it till the raw smell from the tamarind goes away. Top it up with some chopped coriander, let it come to a boil, switch it off. Your sambar is ready. Have it with rice and enjoy. This sambar is made specifically to be had with rice. Add some ghee to enjoy it. Thank you for watching.